Alright, this looks to be a TRX 400 four-wheeler by Honda. It's a little bit older, definitely got some rust on it, so I can't see any kind of a production sticker or anything like that. Pulled it apart to get to the carburetor. The airbox and everything around the gas tank was full of what appeared to be like a squirrel nest. So vacuumed all the acorns out, cleaned all the gunk out, all the leaves out. So we're gonna have to get the tube that runs from where the carburetor sits. It slips on the back of the carburetor and bolts to the head. That tube was broke, so there was no it was pretty much a giant vacuum leak, not allowing it to run more than about 2 or 3 seconds. So cleaning the carb, replacing some parts, and then we are also going to be addressing CV axles. You can see that sucker is busted, and this sucker is busted right there. So we'll be taking care of that too. So this is project number 2 right now for the summer, in conjunction with that monster right there.